Hey everyone, today is May 1st. Happy early Cinco de Mayo. And I've been letting the hair grow out as you can see. It's looking pretty good, I think, this time. I don't know why. Changes, I guess, each time. This is what it's looking like, everyone. Right here in front of a big bright window. Um, yeah, let me know if you have any questions, anything. Not much has changed since last month. I think last month I did say I might be going for a new hair transplant with the same doctor, Dr. Sean Behnem, May 16th. But my wife is actually kind of against it, so now I don't know. And I also am pretty secure where my hair is right now, so I'm heavily debating it. I, not that I don't believe in the surgery, and I do think, having hair is a nice luxury to have, but um, yeah, does it make a real big difference? I don't think so. If it's stopping you from getting a job or being successful or happy in life, it really shouldn't, you know. Anyways, leave any comments, questions, and concerns in the comments section, and I will get back.